Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, we're installing a fuel return on the car. Kind of lost of what I gotta do, but we'll figure it out, and hopefully this helps other people, because honestly there's not another video on YouTube for HR. I see a bunch of 370Z videos and stuff, but not for a HR. And yes, I did get rid of my raise. Honestly, the chrome looked cool on the wheel, but it just didn't look good on the car. I think the black chrome looks better. I put my Mickeys on it, but either way, that's another story. Here's the CJM fuel return kit. So I'm trying to kind of figure it out. Like this, I gotta figure out where the hell this goes to, because I'm not even it looks familiar. Okay, I'm not sure. I know that long line is the one that goes routed all the way from the bottom of the car to the fuel tank. That's the one I gotta fish. Not even sure where this goes. I'm kind of lost. Well, I have some boys that installed this before, so they'll be helping me out. So I just put this. I put the gauge with this. Make sure to use some Teflon and everything. This is pretty tight. Should be fine. I'll try to tighten it a bit more, but I think that's fine. This is tight. I put the two fittings on here and the cap right here. I know that long line goes here on the bottom and then to the bottom of the car. So we just gotta figure out the rest. I'm not even sure what the hell this little nipple here is for. Yeah, I'm lost. We'll see though. Let's go to the car, start taking things apart. All right guys, so first thing I'm doing is you unbolt this, because this gets deleted. Now as you go like taking things off, kind of makes sense what you gotta install and stuff. So obviously this gets deleted. It's clipped on in the bottom, so I gotta take this off. This piece right here goes here as so. Hold on, I can do this with one hand. Hold on guys. Okay guys, so this is the stock line I was talking about. Comes off. It's pushed. This has those little push clips on the line on the car. It has like two green or blue. Push them in and push this up and it'll come right off. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm putting the new line in, as you can see right here. It's this one. Goes right here and then goes down there and connects to the, let me see if I can get a video from the bottom. Okay, you see that green stuff right there? Right there. Goes in there, just put it inside there and you should be good. That's about it for that line. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right guys, my bad for the lack of recording. But yeah, this line right here, I attached it to that line I showed you guys. And now is it this line? Oh yeah, this line, the top one right here, goes to the regulator right over here on the side. As you can see, I gotta find a spot where I'm gonna put this, or maybe just even leave it there. I just don't want them that close to the header, or I'm gonna have to buy some heat wrap. I don't know. Buy some heat wrap for this. Mainly for the ones in the bottom right here. Can't see crap. This doesn't focus. Okay, right there. See these two lines, the one that goes down. I mean, it's pretty separated, but still, those headers get hot, and they're gonna get even hotter now. Now that long line that comes from the bottom of the regulator, as you can see, I routed through here. I'm gonna just put it yeah, like that, and I'm gonna zip tie it. I'm gonna zip tie it right here. I did put it, my bad guys, This is you could just pry it down with a flathead. This goes down, and I did put it right here. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna take this out and put it in there. That's about it. I already fished the line up to the tank. Let me show you guys. Right here. It took me literally 10 seconds. Just fish it through the passenger side right here through the bottom. And you can see, guys, okay, yeah, you see some lighting down there, right? Yeah, that's the bottom of that's just the floor right there. So you can see the bottom, and boom, the line goes right there. And look at this. Look what I found. Looks like some rats. Focus. Oh my god, jeez. Does not focus. Looks like some rats have been in my car. There's my fuel pump wiring, guys. And I drove my car to the welder and back. I do not know how. I do not know how I drove that car. Look at that. But yeah, my boy, he has all the soldering stuff. Bro, this does not focus. He has all the soldering stuff, so we're gonna resolder that tomorrow. The only thing I'm gonna do right now is probably I'm gonna take out the old tank, the old pump, drop the new one in, and that's about it for today. And tomorrow it just reconnect, and that's pretty much it. And I'm done. I still gotta ask Charles from CJM if I have to like adjust the pressure, because I believe on a cold start this is supposed to be yo, let's open my camera. I'm upgrading this weekend, so I'm upgrading to the 15 Pro. So this is probably the last video I do on this camera. On cold start, I believe it should be at 60, and then once it's warm, it's supposed to be at 40, from what I've heard. So yeah, guys, let me just drop in the new tank in. It's already assembled, so let me go get that real quick. All right, guys, actually like a day later or two, got done with the return. I just turned the car off. Well, I didn't turn it on at all, but I turned the ignition off. So if you tuned previously on a stock fuel system, then the stock fuel system pressure for these cars, at least for an HR, I don't know about VHR, it's 52 psi, which it was at 52 psi just now. Obviously it's dropping, the fuel pump is not on. Yeah, I did have some fittings on backwards. So this one, I had 3 fittings on backwards. So these adapters right here that go into the four-way, this little four-way, yeah, I installed that wrong. So when you guys go and put that on, the rubber gasket goes into this four-way adapter thing. So I had it the other way around, because this thing threads in either way. So yeah, guys, don't do that mistake. It was causing a huge fuel leak. I don't know what I had done wrong, but then I talked to Charles, and yeah, he told me what I did wrong. So yeah, make sure to put that the right way. Other than that, pretty easy. I still gotta move this, because as you focus, yeah, as you can see there, it's literally laying on my header. So I'm gonna pull the fuel line from the bottom and try to somehow set this somewhere and get that fuel line separated. At least like right there. Right there should be fine, but right there, no. Other than that, I freaking bought a bunch of these little clamps right here. All my wastegate lines, these are tight. I had zip ties before, but I don't trust the zip ties. I don't need a freaking wastegate line popping off and making me overboost, and yeah, that wouldn't be fun. That's about it, guys. I don't got nothing else to do. Now I just gotta start the car. Well, not now. It's a little early. People are sleeping. And I'm not gonna wake up everybody right now. So maybe in like another 2 hours, people should be awake. Put my bumper back on, and I need to send the idle log to Martin and a 0 to 160. So yeah, guys. And another thing I gotta do is just real quick. I gotta raise this coil over just a little bit because it was a little too low. So I'm gonna put the car on the ground, I think, because I don't think I'll be going under the car anymore. And I'm gonna give this thing a wash because this thing is filthy. Filthy. All right, guys, so pretty much done with the fuel return. I didn't record as much, but if you guys have any questions, you could ask me. Charles helped me a lot from CJM. Really big help. I also gave the car a wash. The car was filthy. So yeah, guys, it's pretty easy to install once you know what you got to do. If you don't have any instructions or anything, yeah, you're gonna be lost. So yeah, guys, one thing I did have to do, because my fuel pump assembly I had gotten from one of my boys that was boosted, and he didn't drill out one of the, let me show you guys, this thing right here. He didn't drill it out. It has a hole right here on this side, you see. So you're supposed to drill that out when you put a bigger pump and the fuel return. So I was having issues regulating the pressure. So I took it out, I drilled it out. If you guys want to know what bit I used the 764 bit. That's what did it for me. And honestly, it should do it for anybody. Maybe you have like a Hellcat pump, maybe you go a little bit bigger. But a 764 did it for me. And yeah, that's it, guys. Car's ready for the dyno tomorrow. All I have to do is raise the driver's side. This side is good. I don't think that's gonna rub. That should be fine. But this side is tucking a little bit too much. So I'm gonna have to raise this side a little bit. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm pretty tired right now. Sheesh. That car been hitting though. This car's still a bucket though. It looks good in videos. It's a bucket in person. I mean, look at that. So yeah, right now I'm charging my laptop, and I'm gonna send a log to Martin, an idle log, and how you call it, and a 0 to 160 cruise. And with that, he could give me my base map, and I'll be able to drive it tomorrow. So yeah, guys, next video will be the car on the dyno, which is tomorrow, and I'm gonna upload this video tonight. So leave a like if you guys like the video. Sheesh. I'll see you guys in the next one.